In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take full-page screenshot in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome and then load the exact web page you want to capture from top to bottom. Give the page a moment to finish loading any images or content. If there are expandable sections, cookie banners, or pop-ups you don't want in the image, close or set them the way you want now so your screenshot shows the final state you intend to share. For the sharpest results, it also helps to view the page at 100% zoom before you proceed. Next, go to Chrome's menu by clicking the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. From there, move your mouse to More Tools and choose Developer Tools. This opens Chrome's DevTools panel, usually docked on the right or bottom of your screen. Don't worry, you don't need to write any code here. We're just using a built-in command that lives inside this panel. Inside the DevTools panel, look for its own three-dot menu in the top right corner of the panel itself. Click that and select Run Command. This opens the command menu, a quick launcher that lets you search for actions without digging through menus. A helpful shortcut, if you prefer, is pressing Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Linux, or Command+Shift+P on a Mac, which opens the same command menu instantly. In the command menu's search box, start typing the word screenshot. You'll see several screenshot options appear. The one we want is Capture Full-Size Screenshot. This option tells Chrome to stitch together the entire page from top to bottom, not just what's visible on your screen. Click Capture Full-Size Screenshot. Chrome will process for a moment as it assembles the full page. When it's done, it automatically saves a PNG image to your computer. By default, that goes to your Downloads folder unless you've configured Chrome to ask where to save each file. You can confirm the download from the shelf at the bottom of Chrome or by opening your browser's Downloads list. Rename the file if you like, and you're ready to share, annotate, or archive it. That's all there is to it. By opening the page, accessing Developer Tools, running the command, and choosing Capture Full-Size Screenshot, you get a clean, high-resolution image of the entire web page in just a few clicks. If parts of the page load as you scroll, wait a second before capturing so everything appears. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your perfectly captured full-page screenshots in Chrome.